Hi guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to archive and unarchive Instagram post. So let's go into the Instagram mobile application here. And after that, we have to wait for a few seconds and then just go to your profile section where you will see your post, right? So this is my post here guys. And if I want to archive it, basically on every post, you will see the three dots on the right side and you will just, if you click on the three dots, you will get this option and here you will get this option to archive. So click on this and it will take a very few second of yours and it will just archive your post, right? And where you can find the archive. So here you can see on the dashboard, you can see the three horizontal lines which is on the top right side corner. Now here you'll get the option that is a archive, that is the fourth option. Click on there and here you have to select the post archive and you have to wait for a few seconds till it get open. And guys, here you can see this is my archive post. If I will just click on here, you can see this is I can just unarchive it, right? So click on the three dots and here you will not get any option, but if you click here you will see show on profile. So just click on there and again select on show on profile, and here just in few seconds you will able to see here, right? So we will refresh it out and this is it. So this is super easy guys. If you found this video really interesting and helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.